guys, it's me, Kawaii Crafty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my Michael's haul, so let's get started. First, I got these craft pumpkins. I'm not really sure what I want to do with them, maybe a fall or a Halloween decor. They were a buy one get one free kind of deal, so I just had to get them. Next, I got a paper cutter by Fiskars, and I really like this one because there's also a scoring option, and that is basically why I got this one. It was kind of expensive, so that's why I used the coupon, however you pronounce it. I also bought some canvases. I have the ultra smooth one as well as a regular traditional canvas. So I bought some stamps as well, so I got some alphabet stamps as well as an ink pad that you will see later. My previous ink pad was pretty bad packaging and it would dry out quite often, so I got a new one. I'm super excited for these Tombow dual brush pens. And last but not least, I got some charms. They were at the clearance section, probably because no one wanted them, especially with this kind of packaging. The plastic would get stuck quite often when I was removing the charms, so just keep in mind for that. But these ones are super cute and they were under $2 each, so I think it was a pretty good steal. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with these, but I'm probably gonna change them out for my other necklaces and just change the charm out of that one and then put one of these on there. Who knows? I can hardly wait, and now I get to open my first Tombow dual brush pens set. So I obviously have to get the pastel version because I love pastel colors, as you have seen in my previous videos, and some more future videos will be coming up as well. I'm just super excited to use these because a lot of people in the studying, bullet journaling, and lettering community just loves these pens. So I'm just super excited to try them out for myself. So I got my heavy duty scissors and I'm going to cut off the plastic of this paper trimmer, and once that is done, ta-da! we have my paper trimmer that I'm super excited to use. I do a lot of scrapbooking and stuff, so cutting the paper with that is much easier with this. As you can tell, I'm going to be doing a pen swatch with my Tombow brush pens, so I know the camera is kind of blurry right now. Please do bear with me for these first few seconds of the footage, because the camera just didn't want to focus for some weird reason, but I promise for the rest of the swatches that it will be focused. So enjoy! That is it for this video. By the way, I'm just folding the plastic that I just got from Michael's that had these items. So if you guys do like these videos, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, then do give me a thumbs down. I really do want to know how you feel. And if you have any feedback, comments, or any suggestions, make sure to do so in the comment section down below. If you are new, do consider subscribing to join the kawaii family. I have lots of art and craft videos coming up, so do stay tuned for that. And if you are subscribed, don't forget to click push notifications. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be kind and be kawaii. Bye!